Less than 2 blocks away from bustling Duval Street, but in a quiet world of its own. Light and bright with high ceilings and an open floor plan, the interior features include white oak hardwood floors, granite countertops, and 2 ensuite bedrooms. Enjoy the gorgeous weather and abundant outdoor living spaces, including a spacious front porch, second floor balcony, and screened living area. Walking distance to Duval Street, Hemingway House, the Southernmost Point, and many other Key West attractions. This is the perfect vacation home or monthly rental property. Call your agent today.